A few years ago, a fast-growing e-commerce company faced a massive crisis during their biggest holiday sale. They were generating millions of customer records, clicks, transactions every single minute. Suddenly, sales in the key region completely flatlined. The leadership team panicked and immediately asked their data analyst for a quick report to understand what was going wrong. The team quickly wrote up their SQL queries to pull the data. But there was a massive problem. Because the dataset was so incredibly large, their traditional database simply couldn't handle it. The query loaded and eventually crashed. It took them 6 hours to just extract and process the data. By the time they realized a simple payment gateway was broken, the prime shopping hours was over and the company had lost millions. What this company realized later was the harsh reality. The issue wasn't that their team didn't know how to analyze data, and it wasn't also that they lacked SQL skills. The problem was that the traditional tools break down when you're dealing with modern, massive-scale data. Basically, this one experience tells us the powerful truth of having access to massive amounts of data is completely useless if you don't have the right infrastructure to query it, process it, and even visualize it quickly. In today's corporate world, knowing standard SQL is just the starting point. To truly drive decisions, you need to know how to handle big data in the cloud. This is exactly where Databricks changes everything. Databricks is the powerful cloud platform that allows users to run complex SQL queries on incredibly large datasets, create reports, and also collaborate on analytical projects in real time. It bridges the gap between raw data and business intelligence. Now look at the market reality. The expected size of the global generative AI and data market is projected to hit a staggering $400 billion by 2030. Companies across finance, healthcare, retail, and tech are aggressively migrating to cloud platforms like Databricks. Meaning, whether you're a fresher looking to break into data, a business intelligence professional, or even an experienced engineer, mastering Databricks for SQL analytics is one of the most smartest career moves you can make today. Keeping this growing demand in mind, SQL by Simplilearn offers a free Databricks for SQL Analytics and BI course. This beginner-friendly program is designed to introduce you to a powerful feature of Databricks for running SQL queries, transforming the data, and visualizing insights. And you're not alone in this journey. Over 17,600 learners have already enrolled to upgrade their analytics skills. Moving ahead, let's look at what this course actually provides. The program includes 2 hours of self-paced video lessons, giving you the complete flexibility to learn at your own speed. Whether you're balancing college classes or even an internship or a full-time job, you also get 90 days of access to your free course materials, allowing you to comfortably revisit complex topics. More importantly, upon successful completions, you are awarded a professional completion certificate. You can easily share this certificate with the prospective employers and your professional network on LinkedIn, which is a massive advantage when applying for entry-level roles or even off-campus opportunities. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. This course goes far beyond basic database definitions. While basic knowledge of SQL is recommended, the course is perfectly designed for beginners and guides you through the tools from scratch. You'll also start with comprehensive Databricks overview, understanding its data intelligence platform and Unity catalog infrastructure. Then you can dive straight into practical applications. You will learn how to use Databricks notebooks to write complex SQL queries and perform crucial data transformations. But it does not stop there. The course introduces you to advanced industry-standard technologies. You will explore integration with Delta Lake for a big data processing and data reliability, as well as real-time analytics using Apache Spark, structured streaming, which is absolutely essential for analyzing live data. One of the strongest parts of this course is it focuses on business intelligence and hands-on learning. You'll be working with real-world datasets through practical exercises, ensuring you know how to apply these techniques to actually corporate problems. Furthermore, you will learn how to build interactive dashboards directly in Databricks and discover how to integrate Databricks with top BI tools like Tableau and Power BI. At the end of this course, you will not only know how to pull data, but also how to clean it, visualize it, and present actionable insights to the stakeholders. The career impact of these skills is massive. This course perfectly positions you for roles in data analysis, business intelligence, and data engineering. These are incredibly well-paying, high-growth careers. For example, the average salary for professionals with advanced ML and data skills is over $160,000 annually in the US and over 10 LPA in India. In the world where business rely on split-second decisions, the ability to process and analyze massive data sets efficiently is what separates an average team from the industry leaders. This free Databricks for SQL analytics and BI course gives you a strong, practical starting point, helping you move from slow traditional databases to lightning fast cloud analytics. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description, enroll for free and start your data analytics career today.